the hat stays on. Hey guys, it's Bobby here, back with another video. As you notice, something is different here. I have no beard. I have no mustache. But the main thing is, I'm wearing a hat. That's what this video is all about. It's about a dog wearing a hat. It's WIF. I am laying out my thesis on why WIF can be one of the most outperforming meme coin out of all. It might not be the best outperforming one, but I do have a thesis where WIF can outperform most of the meme coins that are listed in the market right now. Because in this current period, you need to understand there are tons of meme coin being launched daily, and there are tons, like thousands, I don't know, millions. I'm not sure the number is, but there's a lot of meme coins. So it's not the time for you to be over diversified into everything and chase everything. You need to find the true gem that can outperform in the next 2 or 3 months going into alt season. I already laid out my explanation and conclusion on about alt season is about to happen. Okay, with Ethereum, Bitcoin going up, Bitcoin starting to consolidate around $100,000, and yeah, congratulations, we are witnessing history about Bitcoin crossing $100,000. So without wasting much time, let me lay out my thesis on DogWifHat. Let's get into it. WIF sitting at $3.43 billion market cap. If you think that you are already late into this coin, you are wrong. And I have proof. I have my thesis that I will share on why you are wrong if you say that you are late for WIF. I know WIF already pumping from few cents into $4, $5. But the sign that we are having right now is a clear accumulation pattern. And let me change that shift for you in TradingView. This is WIF when it was listed in Binance back in March, 5th March. And currently it is sitting in accumulation for about 276 days from the day it was being listed. And you can see the clear sign of accumulation if you have the top range. Okay, this is the top range, and you have the lower range, and price is sitting between those two ranges without going higher, without going lower, and you have volume coming in, spikes of volume. You see volume coming in, high amount, while price is not moving. That is a clear sign of accumulation, and that is my method. I want to buy coins that is sitting in accumulation, and what I meant by buying an accumulation is you are putting size into it with conviction. For example, if you have $100,000, you're putting size into it, 20%, 30% into a single position, and you have conviction in it. That's why you buy in accumulation. Okay, you're not buying when things are pumping. So first thing I want to mention here is why I think you are still early in WIF, because WIF is sitting in a clear accumulation and we have a 276 days of accumulation here. Let me bring you back into history of the previous dog that was outperforming a lot of coin. Okay, the first meme coin, Doge USDT. I want you to focus on certain things here. The accumulation that Doge did before it started sending. Back in 2019, Doge was sitting in accumulation for about 532 days. That's more than a year. That's almost 2 years. Okay, 1.5 years. It's sitting in accumulation. From the day it was being listed in Binance, people thought it was dead. People thought everything about it, but it's not. It's sitting in accumulation, ranging from the top and bottom range. And then at the 1st January of 2021, it started sending way higher, thousands and thousands of percent, outperforming every single coin in the market, especially meme coin. And Doge was like, it shows the sign of accumulation. It started the first rally, very huge rally, and then it consolidated for a moment, and then it continues sending higher when the market is topping. Okay, this is Dogecoin. Let me show you another coin, SHIB USDT. This was also another coin that is sitting in accumulation after it was being listed in Binance. After it was being listed on Binance, it dropped a bit, of course, and it sit in accumulation doing nothing in ranges for about 138 days, and then it started sending for about 8x higher to all-time highs. When the first rally happened, it pumped from the accumulation, consolidate tightly with low amount of volume, and then a second round of pump, making the market top. So this is SHIB. Let me show you another one. Another dog from previous year, if I'm not mistaken. Loki. When it was being listed in Binance, it sit from the first day and for about 297 days. Okay, WIF is only about 76 days, but Floki have been sitting in 297 days. And when it started ascending from the accumulation period, it go way higher than people thought, because everyone thought Floki was dead. Floki was just another meme that is irrelevant. No, the sign of accumulation is clear, and when the accumulation breaks out, we have a strong push, a consolidation for a bit, and then a continuation, making the market top. Again, I'm proving to you here that things happen in accumulation, but a lot of people fading it. Let me show you another coin that is famous right now, Pepe USDT. Pepe, after it was being listed in Binance, it was sitting from the first day until it started pumping out of accumulation for about 297 days. Just sitting, pure accumulation, and then when it starts to pump, this is what happened. A very, very big pump early this year for about 4 to 5x, and then a period for consolidation, and then sending again. Okay, I do think Pepe will have another chance this cycle, and look at what happened. If you just bought an accumulation with sites and you just hold throughout the bull market, you will outperform every other coin. Pepe is already moving about 14x from the period of accumulation. Okay, imagine you put 20% in here out of all your portfolio. You will be out massively just by holding with conviction, buying in accumulation. This was all the previous coin that is outperforming just based on a simple technical analysis. You identify accumulation and then you execute it. But you must also do your own research on certain stuff. And why I think WIF can outperform easily, because there's few things I want to mention here. WIF is also listed on Coinbase. Okay, let me show you the places here. This was a post from Cryptonary, and they are saying WIF a road to $100. WIF is already listed on Binance, it's already listed on Coinbase, and it's already listed on Robinhood. WIF is the first Solana meme coin to be listed on 3 of those platforms. All 3 of those have high volume, high focus on normies, and they have the most attraction for people to enter. So this trifecta effect of Binance, Coinbase, and Robinhood is one of the most important catalysts for a coin to send super hard. Because that what happened when on Doge back then. It was being listed on all the exchanges, and people just keep buying it because it's famous. So WIF is listed on Coinbase, and now sitting in Coinbase. Let's see what happened with Doge after it was sitting in Coinbase. See Doge on Coinbase. This is Doge in Coinbase. Let's see WIF when it was listed in Coinbase. WIF was listed in Coinbase on 30 November last month, and it was sitting in just consolidation right now. It's not doing much thing. But what I found here about WIF is the correlation WIF is having with SHIB after SHIB was being listed in Coinbase. If you can see here, this was the day SHIB was being listed on Coinbase. It pumped and then dumped quite a lot, but sit in a range for about 24 days, and then it started sending way high, sent and then consolidate and then pump again to new all-time highs. SHIB was doing this after it was being listed on Coinbase. So WIF, after it was being listed on Coinbase, it's not dumping that much. It's sitting in this period of consolidation, and for about 24 days, which is until tomorrow. Maybe something might happen, but I don't know. Okay, I'm just focusing on this ranges that it is having after being listed in Coinbase. As you know, Coinbase is famous in the US, so people can easily buy into WIF if they want to. And you look at the accumulation it is having, it's clear. In the bigger time frame, in the lower time frame, it is there. And the current price of WIF, if you look at the accumulation period, this is a bullish consolidation. Okay, it is starting to form a base or a bottom around $3. It is starting to form a bottom around $3. It doesn't want to go any lower. If it did, I can expect something like this is happening. It starts to push down, but then reclaim before start sending. That might happen, or we can just send right away. That is my thought on accumulation. So for WIF, what is the price point? What is the price target? And why does WIF have the biggest potential to send? Like I said, I was mentioning WIF have all of this thing. It is being listed on Coinbase, Robinhood, the biggest Solana meme. It is the first meme that sparked the Solana meme coin season. It is the first meme to reach $1 billion market cap. It had the Doge playbook, like I shared before. It's sitting in accumulation, 7 months of accumulation, leading on mindshare. Everyone knows about this, the most viral meme, and it's just 1 year old. Okay, so this person is already making a thesis of WIF heading to $100 target price, which is around 100 billion market cap. Is it possible for WIF to reach that market cap? To answer that question, let's look at the coins that is sitting in the $100 billion market cap, which is around the top 6. 126 is having $100 billion market cap. Top 6. So is it possible for WIF to reach those level? I can say yes, it is on the table, but highly likely not able to reach that if we don't have the full euphoria. If this is the meme coin super cycle, if everything gets really crazy in the next 1 year, in the next 8 months, and if like Bitcoin goes to around 180, 250k, Ethereum is above 10,000, Solana is at $800, $1,000, I think it's possible for WIF to even reach $100 billion market cap. So now, if you see Doge is sitting at $64 billion market cap, that's already high. The all-time high is around 89. For even Doge, for even WIF to reach even half of what Doge is reaching, that's already around $30 level. That's already around $30, and that's super high. That's almost 10x. Even if it reach, like if you want to be conservative, you can target the half of that, $15. What I want to share here is the playbook after you buy an accumulation is you just need to sit between these two things. You need to sit in the accumulation period. You need to sit in the rally. There will be a rally. And then, like I said before, like Doge, SHIB, Floki, Pepe all have the same playbook. They pump from the accumulation. They consolidate. Okay, they shake you out. They go lower. But then they continue to pump even higher. So you want to sell, if you want to sell from the first pump, you want to sell when it starts to consolidate in the daily time frame. And when it does, you can get shakeout, you can buy lower, who knows. But then it will have another pump, which I think will coincide with the market top. If it starts to go maybe to $10 to $15 to $7 here, and then the continued rally might head to $25, $30 or $40 above if the market starts to get crazy. But if you can see here, this accumulation, it's insane. Okay, 276 days of pure accumulation in Binance and currently in Coinbase and also in Robinhood. I do think just buying WIF, you can easily outperform everyone. And so with that, I hope it is clear, just based on my technical analysis, just based on the hype, based on some research a bit, based on the correlation between previous meme coin and the current meme coin that we're having, which is WIF. I do think WIF can be the best choice if you want to go heavy into meme coins. As always, this video is a non-financial advice. It really depends on you, what you want to decide, your money, your choice. Don't even buy this. Okay, you can just make your own choice. So I'm just stating my views here. Okay, I'm just doing this for fun. Alright, I think that's just it. If you want more videos like this, comment down below what kind of videos you want to see. And also don't forget to join the Telegram, link in description below. Don't forget to subscribe into this channel, turn on the notifications. I will be posting more and more alpha and my research, my analysis on coins. Alright, I think that's all from Bobby. Remember, the hat stays on. Ciao.